To add stop loss in Exness, all you have to do is to launch your Exness app and sign in. So this is my Exness app and I've already signed in. So all you have to do is to locate your active trade. If you don't have any, you can place your trade. So but in this video I'll be using this active trade. So all I have to do is to tap on it. So once I tap on it, I can enter my stop loss here, but I don't know the number that I'm going to use. So all you have to do is to tap on view on chart. So once you tap on view on chart, wait for the chart to open. So here you will see take profit and stop loss, this plus SL and plus TP. So but we are trying to add stop loss, so this is what we'll be talking about. So you have to tap on this plus SL. Once you tap on it, you will see this option now that now appears. This option now is draggable. You can drag this option. So all you have to do is to drag this option above the amount you want to risk for the trade. Look at it. If I leave it here, it means I'm risking 6,000 naira in this trade. So but I don't want to risk that much. I'll just bring it down. So let me say 1,004. So this is it. So I look at where the trade is. This red one is the trade and this one is the stop loss. So it's draggable. You can drag it and keep it anywhere you want. So I think I will leave it here. That's for the stop loss. So once it's where you want it to be, all you have to do is to come back here and tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, your stop loss will be added. So for you to see the stop loss, you have to tap on this dot. Once you tap on this dot, you will see the stop loss again. Look at it. If you tap anywhere on the screen now or on the chart, the stop loss will be hidden. So another way you can see it is to go back here and then tap on this. You will see the stop loss here. This is the number. So in case you are using someone's signal and they ask you to buy and set the stop loss at 1 point or any random number, this is where you enter the number and tap on confirm, and then you will look at it. Once you modify this number to ask you to confirm, so this is where you can also add your stop loss. But the best one I use is this one, is to view on chart. While on the chart, you can now use this and drag the stop loss to where you want it to be, and you also be seeing the amount that you are going to lose if the trade goes against you. So if you want to remove the stop loss entirely, all you have to do is to tap on this X. If it's like this, tap on this dot. Once you tap on this dot, you can now tap on this X. Then you can now tap on confirm here, and the stop loss will be removed. Or you can also come back here. Let's see, when you come here, you can see here, just clear all these things here. Once you clear it, you can tap on confirm, then the stop loss will be removed. So that is how to remove stop loss in an active trade. So let me tap view on chart. So while on the chart now, you will see that the stop loss is no longer there. I also made a video on how to add take profit in your active trade. So watch this video. I explained every simple step by step that you need to follow in order to add take profit in Exness. So watch this video and I'll see you in this video.